If you want to get more clients for your business, this is the most important piece of information you are going to watch today. I want to share with you 5 top strategies that work in 2023, thanks to which you can get new clients for your business. Some of them involve your time, others involve investing your money. If you combine these strategies together, you will get a steady flow of leads, aka potential customers, to convert into paid clients. So let's do it! My name is Cecco, and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Strategy number 1. Build a strong online presence. I firmly believe, I'm 100% sure that building a strong online presence will be extremely important today and especially in the coming years to gain an astonishing competitive advantage. First of all, with the words online presence, I mean sharing your knowledge and experience, or even documenting your business life and procedures on social media. I perfectly know that many marketers and business experts don't have this vision, and probably because they don't think in terms of developing a long-term business between 5 to 10 years. Here's the thing you have to understand. Today, people buy people first and then products and services. Your social presence allows people to know you before investing a dime. So, your social presence allows strangers to verify your knowledge and expertise because of your authority in your field of competency. Now, pay very close attention to what I'm going to reveal right now. The key to selling anything today and in the coming years is to establish a rapport first with your potential clients to let them trust you first. When they trust you, the buying process will be easier and quicker. It means that converting a prospect into a paid client is faster and cheaper. At the same time, do not focus on the followers number, but direct your attention only to provide value and inspire people to take action. You don't need 1 million followers to create an empire. It's all about the value you can provide and what you decide to sell. For instance, with a $5,000 product or service, you need only 200 clients to reach 1 million in income. And I firmly believe that today and in the coming years, the word community will be very relevant, especially with the upcoming Web 3.0 and NFT market. Now, let's proceed to the second strategy. Strategy number 2, offer incentives for referrals. I think this strategy to get new clients is underestimated by most business owners and professionals, aka experts. Obviously, to get the most out of it, you must be in business for the long term to help people fix their problems. This business mindset should be obvious, but it is not for everyone. Unfortunately or fortunately, it all depends on your point of view. Many people are in business only to make money. And this is the main reason why they are going to fail miserably. Your marketing strategy should include a referral system to persuade your clients to refer your products or services to someone else. You can implement your affiliate program online by providing your existing clients with an affiliate link and the right communication in order to speed up and optimize the referral process. On the flip side, especially when you sell high-ticket products or services, the best solution is to contact your clients directly by booking a call with them, obviously, and asking them to refer to people. In addition, do not forget to offer incentives to motivate your clients to refer someone else. And let me tell you about this important aspect. Sometimes the best incentives are not in the form of money, but can be rewards or bonuses to establish a close relationship with your clients. It's up to you, and it all depends on your entire marketing strategy. Now, let's switch to the third strategy. Strategy number 3, attend networking events. This strategy is very powerful and sometimes undervalued. Your network determines your net worth. Attending networking events is an excellent strategy for getting new clients because you have the opportunity to talk directly with smart people. And honestly, the best deals are made around a table while discussing life, not only business topics. Once again, people buy people first and then what they represent. In these environments, I highly recommend making a great first impression. Please be on time, don't drink too much and dress well. Your self-confidence and competence make all the difference in developing relationships. Your mindset should be something like this. I'm not in this event to sell anything, but to provide value. My focus is to understand how I can help others succeed by giving the best advice based on my knowledge and experience. What I want you to understand is not to go to these events with the purpose of speaking about your products and services. Provide value first by understanding your potential clients' needs and desires, and they will ask you more about what you sell. In addition, keep in mind that you can't ever know who you will meet. One single person can change your life and he or she can introduce you to their network and clients. Now, let's move to the fourth strategy. Strategy number 4, using paid ads. I love this strategy because paid ads represent the fastest and easiest way to get new clients. Here's the thing. Today, your clients are using social networks such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. Each of these giants has its paid platform, which allows you to reach your audience in just a few minutes. Most business owners and professionals are concerned about getting traffic using these paid platforms due to bad past experiences. Indeed, many professionals I worked with said to me that the advertising platforms don't work. Here's the thing. I can definitely say that paid ads work, period. But they only work if you have good marketing that lets you convert your potential customers to paid clients. You need a marketing funnel. I mean, technical stuff and the proper communication in order to convert cold traffic into paid clients. Unfortunately, even today in 2023, most business owners and even experts don't know how to sell or pre-sell online. They are not aware of how to build a list of potential clients first and don't have any idea of how to properly sell their products or services. Digital marketing skills and even professionals capable of successfully executing a strategy are required. So, if you want to learn the most high-paid digital marketing skills to create even a 7-figure business, you can subscribe right now to the wait list of my Freedom Business Blueprint, a special program I'm going to release very soon. I put the link to the subscription page in the description below. Now, let's switch to the final strategy to get more clients for your business. Strategy number 5. Collaborate with other businesses. Partnerships are a great way to get new clients, especially if you start from scratch with no money. By establishing a partnership, you can create profits from nothing, sometimes at zero or minimum costs. Indeed, you can offer your products or services to the clients list of your partner. You can sponsor products or services of your partner to your clients' database. You can even create new products and services with your partner, as I did multiple times in my 14-year experience in marketing. Now, let me share with you a real example. When I helped Christian Colusso create his brand to help people play drums with online courses, we partnered with different blogs and websites on the drum topic. To attract new potential clients to his business, we put banners in our partners' websites to leverage the traffic they received. Some partners were paid based on how many sales we got and tracked thanks to the referral link. Other partners preferred to be paid based on the monthly potential customers generated from their websites. The possibilities are endless. And with that being said, if you want to convert prospects, cold traffic into paid clients, I urge you to build a sales funnel. This is why I highly recommend watching this video. 5 easy steps to create a digital marketing funnel to convert prospects into paid clients. Please watch this video now.